Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on Wien's displacement law. Okay, before going to know about the session, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన కామెంట్స్ను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయగలరు. Okay. Let us go to the today's topic, problems on Wien's displacement law. Let us go to today's session. First one. Let us go to the first problem. Surface temperature of the sun as estimated is 6032.25 kelvins. The wavelength at which sun radiates maximum energy is given. Wien's constant is equals to 0.2898 centimeter Kelvin. So in this question you have to calculate the wavelength at which sun radiates maximum energy. The given surface temperature of the sun is estimated 6032.25 kelvins and Wien's constant they given 0.2898 centimeter Kelvin. Now let us go to the solution. We'll write what they given in this. Given Wien's constant B is equals to 0.2898 centimeter Kelvin. Now we are converting in meters 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters Kelvin. Now we'll write the temperature. Given the temperature is 6032.25 and next according to Wien's displacement law, lambda m into t is equals to b. So from this we are writing lambda m is equals to b by t. Substituting values, lambda m is equals to b by t. Substituting the values b and t in this equation, b as 2.898 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 6032.25. After doing this multiplication, we are getting 4804.17 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So at last we are writing lambda m is equals to approximately we are writing 4804.2 Armstrong unit. This is the approximate value. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the second question. The spectral energy distribution of the sun has a maximum at 4753 Armstrongs. If the temperature of the sun is 6050 Kelvin, what is the temperature of a star for which the maximum is at 9506 Armstrong units? So in this question they given the spectral energy distribution of the sun has 4753 Armstrongs and the temperature of the sun is 6050 kelvins, and we have to calculate what is the temperature of the star for which the maximum is at 9506 Armstrongs. Let us come to the solution. Given lambda m is equals to, we are writing the values. Given lambda m is equals to 4753 Armstrongs and lambda m dash, that is lambda dash m is equals to 9506 Armstrongs. Temperature they given 6050 kelvins and this is t dash is equal to question mark. Now next we will write the formula lambda m into t is equals to lambda dash m into t dash. Now we are calculating t dash, that is lambda m into t by lambda dash m. Substituting values 4753 into 6050 temperature and 9506 wavelength. So after calculation this we are getting 28755 comma 650 by 9506. This we are getting the answer after division 3025 kelvins. So this is the final answer. T dash is equals to 3025 kelvins. Next we'll go to the next problem. That is, the third one is, the solar radiation spectrum reveals that the intensity corresponding to a wavelength of 4750 Armstrongs is maximum. Estimate the surface temperature of the sun. Given Wien's constant is equals to 2.89 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter kelvins. In this question, they given corresponding wavelength 4750 Armstrongs. And you have to calculate the estimate the surface temperature of the sun. Given Wien's constant is equals to 2.89 into the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin. Now we'll go to the solution. We'll write given lambda m is equals to 4750 Armstrongs and Wien's constant they given B is equals to 2.89 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin. Now according to Wien's displacement law, lambda t is equals to B and t is equals to B by lambda m. Next, substituting the values B and lambda m in this, we get t is equals to 2.89 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by, here converting Armstrongs into meters, 4750 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So that is equals to 2.89 by 4750 into 10 to the power of 7. So that is equals to approximately, we after division we are getting 6084.2 Kelvin. So T is approximately, we can write it as 6084 Kelvin. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Let us go to the fourth question. If the wavelength corresponding to a maximum energy radiated from the moon 14 micron and Wien's constant is 2.8 into the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin, then the temperature of the moon is, here they given 14 micron and Wien's constant they given 2.8 into the power of minus 3 meters Kelvin. Then you have to calculate temperature of the moon. Let us go to the solution. And given lambda m is equals to, here wavelength corresponding to maximum energy radiated from the moon, that is lambda m is equals to 14 micron, converting into meters, 14 10 to the power of minus 6 meters, and B is equals to, Wien's constant is equals to 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter Kelvin. And from the Wien's displacement law, lambda m into T is equals to B. So now we are calculating T is equals to B by lambda m. Substituting values 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 14 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Here we are cancelling 14 ones are 14, 0.2s are 14 2s are 28. So at last finally we are writing answer 2 into 10 square, that is equals to 200 kelvins. This is the final answer. Temperature is equals to 200 kelvins. Okay. Next go to the next question. That is fifth question. If the wavelength of maximum intensity of radiation emitted by sun and moon are 0.5 in 10 to the power of minus 6 meters and 10 to the power of minus 4 meters respectively, the ratio of their temperatures is. So here they given maximum intensity of radiation emitted by the sun and moon. you have to calculate ratio of their temperatures. Let us come to the solution. Now we'll write the solution. Lambda dash m. We are assuming one is the lambda, another is the lambda dash. So lambda dash m by lambda m is equals to T by T dash. So one is the moon, lambda dash is the moon and lambda is the sun. So substituting values 10 to the power of minus 4 by 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equals to T by T dash. So this can be written as here 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 6 by 0.5, that is equals to T by T dash. Here this is 10 square by 0.5. This is also can be written as here 10 by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos. So T by T dash is equals to 2 into 10 square. How much? Next we are writing here 10 square into 2 is equals to T by T dash. 10 square nothing but 100 into 2, 200. 200 is equals to T by T dash. Or we are writing the ratio of two temperatures. T is to T dash is equals to 200 is to 1. This is the final answer. T is to 2 dash is equals to T is to T dash is equals to 200 is to 1. Okay. Next we will go to the next. Let's go to the sixth question. The light from the sun is found to have a maximum intensity near the wavelength of 470 nanometers. Assuming that at the surface of the emits as black body, calculate the temperature of the surface of the sun. So in this question they given wavelength of 470 nanometers and we had to calculate the temperature of the surface of the sun. Okay, let us come to the solution. Now we will write for black body Wien's constant B is equals to, for a black body Wien's constant, for black body Wien's constant is equals to B is equals to 0.288 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter Kelvin. Okay. Next lambda m is equals to 470 nanometers. Next converting into meters, 470 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Next we have to calculate temperature question mark. So from the Wien's constant formula we are writing T is equals to B by T is equals to B by lambda m, that is equals to substituting values 0.288 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by 470 into 10 to the power of minus 9, that is equals to 0.288 by 470 into 10 to the power of 7. See here minus 1 will go to plus 9, 9 minus 2, 7, that is equals to, after division we are getting 0.006127.6 into 10 to the power of 7, that is equals to approximately, first we are writing 6127.6 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 to the power of 7. So at last we are writing the answer, temperature T is equals to approximately equal to 6130 kelvins. This is final answer. T is equals to 6130 kelvins. Okay, thanks for watching this video.